Hello, what's up guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn that how to find out the square root of the numbers. Now in the first step what we will do that we will make the three columns. In the first column we will write down the numbers from 1 to 9, and in the second column we will write down the squares of those numbers, and in the third column we will write down the last digits from those squares. Now here we have the problem 729. So in the first step we will take the last number, that is 9. So we will search that last digit in the column of the last digit. Here we have the 9, so 9 comes under 3, and here we have also 9, so 9 comes under 7. So our from the answer our second one will be either 3 or 7. We will cut down these last two numbers. Now the one number is remaining, that is 7. So we will take the number just below 7 in the column of the square. We know that the number just below 7 is 4. So 4 comes under the number 2. So our first number is 2, but the second number is either 3 or 7. So what we will do that we will take the first number and then multiply it with the number just after that. We know that the number just after 2 is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. Now 6 is lesser than 7. Then we will take the greater number from these two. So the greater number from these two is 7. Our final answer is 27. So let's suppose if here we have the 8. So 8 is greater than 7. So we will take the lesser number from this. Now here we have the bigger number. We have the 7056. So similarly in the first step we will take the last digit, that is 6. So 6 comes under the number 3 and 6 comes under the number 6. So our second one, the second number from the answer will be either 4 or 6. So we will cut down the last two digits, and the remaining will be 70. Then we will search the number 70 just below 70 in the columns of the square. We know that the number just below 70 is 64. So 64 comes under the number 8. So our first number from the answer is 8, but the second one is either 4 or 6. Then we will take the first number and multiply it with the number just after that, that is 9. So 8 multiplied by 9, that is 81. So 81, this 81 is greater than the number 70. It means we will take the lesser number from these two. So our final answer will be 84. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.